unlovable. No scripts, no filters, just the raw pool. I never cared, not a little bit. Call it what it is, I don't need the bit. From coast to cast, all I feel are stabs to standard television with no standard apps. Every channel static, every show's a blur. Searching for a signal, but there's nothing to infer. Have you ever had a friend that will drop science in a narcissistic way? Kick you in the teeth until your face is gray. You could almost die and they would walk away. Right about now they're turning off the song, saying this is about me. But the truth is, I'm just telling my own story free. It's not, this ain't a mirror for your self-reflection. It's just my voice, my unfiltered projection. So take a seat or don't, I really don't care. My narrative's unfolding here by toxic air. From coast to cast, all I feel are stops. A standard television with no standard ops. Every channel static, every show's a blur. Searching for a signal, but there's nothing to infer. Have you ever had a friend that will drop science in a narcissistic way? Kick you in the teeth until your face is gray. You could almost die and they would walk away. Right about now they're turning off the song, saying this is about me. But the truth is, I'm just telling my own story free.
Okay, so